Step into the past with the Retro Cars quiz. Can you identify the make and model of 20 legendary vintage cars just by their photos? Challenge yourself and see how well you know these classic icons of the road. Let's start with round 1. Is this car A. Ligier JS2 1977, B. Ford Taunus Transit FK 1000 1953, C. Volkswagen Type 34 1961, D. Peugeot D3A Van 1950. You can probably tell right away that this car is A. Ligier JS2 1977. Round 2. Is this car A. Citroën Ami 6 Berlin 1961, B. Daimler SP250 Dart 1959, C. Ferrari 340 America 1950D 1955 AC Petite? You've probably already figured out this car is D. 1955 AC Petite. Round 3. Is this car A. Maserati Tipo 61 Birdcage 1959, B. Matra Rancho 1980, C. Aston Martin DB 4 GT Zagato 1960, D. Lancia Aurelia B20 GT 1951. You've probably already figured out this car is B. Matra Rancho 1980. Round 4. Is this car A. Fiat 1200 Granluce 1957, B. Panhard PL 17 1959, C. Opel Admiral Coupe 1964, D. Borgward Isabella Coupe 1954. You've probably already figured out this car is B. Panhard PL 17 1959. Round 5. Is this car A. Gordon Keeble GK 1 1963, B. Simca 1000 Rally 1961, C. Mercedes-Benz 220 SE Coupe 1961, D. BMW 700 Coupe 1959. You've probably already figured out this car is A. Gordon Keeble GK 1 1963. Round 6. Is this car A. DKW F102 Sedan 1963, B. Auto Union 1000S Coupe Deluxe 1958, C. NSU Row 80 1972, D. Glass 2600 V8 Fastback 1966. You've probably already figured out this car is C. NSU Row 80 1972. Round 7th. Is this car A. EMW 340-2 1952, B. Jensen PW-Postwar 1953, C. AC Aseca Coupe 1954, D. Bristol 401 Aerodynamic 1948? You've probably already figured out this car is EMW 340-2 1952. Round 8. Is this car A. Morgan plus 4-4-seater, 1953. B. Lagonda 2.6-liter drophead, 1948. C. Gordon Keeble GK 2/4, 1966. D. Sparrow Stash, 1981. You've probably already figured out this car is D. Sparrow Stash, 1981. Round 9th. Is this car A. Singer 4 AD Roadster, 1953. B. Hillman Minx Magnificent, 1948. C. Skoda 1101 Tudor, 1946. D. Skoda Spartak 440, 1958. You've probably already figured out this car is D. Skoda Spartak 440, 1958. Round 10th. Is this car A. Singer 4 AD Roadster, 1953. B. Marcos Mini Marcos GT, 1967. C. Wartburg 312 Deluxe, 1965. D. Trabant P50 Combi, 1958. You've probably already figured out this car is B. Marcos Mini Marcos GT, 1967. 11th round. Is this car A. Proton Saga Prototype, 1979. B. Toyota Publica U P10, 1961. C. Mazda R360 Coupe, 1960. D. Subaru 360 Deluxe, 1958. You've probably already figured out this car is A. Proton Saga Prototype, 1979. 12th round. Is this car A. Tatra 603, 1956. B. Prince Skyline 1900 Deluxe, 1954. C. Honda S500 Roadster, 1963. D. 1963 Mitsubishi Colt 1000 Sedan. You've probably already figured out this car is A. Tatra 603, 1956. 13th round. Is this car A. Cizeta Moroder V 16T, 1983. B. Isuzu Wasp Pickup, 1963. C. Datsun Sports DC3, 1952. D. Nissan Bluebird 210, 1955. You've probably already figured out this car is A. Cizeta Moroder V 16T, 1983. 14th round. Is this car A. Standard Vanguard Phase 1, 1947. B. Austin A70 Hereford, 1950. C. Alvis T C108/G, 1956. D. Glass Izar T 761. You've probably already figured out this car is D. Glass Izar T 761. 15th round. Is this car A. Standard Vanguard Phase 1, 1947. B. Intermechanica Indra, 1974. C. Fossil Vega 2 Coupe, 1962. D. Renault 16 Hatchback, 1965. You've probably already figured out this car is B. Intermechanica Indra, 1974. Share your score in the comments and let us know how you did on the quiz. We'd also love to hear any suggestions you have for future car quizzes. Don't miss out on the next Classic Car Challenge. Subscribe to our channel now.